and good day. So I didn't want to just jump in your DM and spam you. Matter of fact, this message will self-destruct in 60 seconds. No, it's not. I'm just playing with you. However, what I'm trying to do on Facebook, I have about a little over 1,800 friends and people who I follow. I could have more, but I don't. I just really want people who like my content. So as a matter of fact, if you're not liking my posts, you might be unfriended. Just joking. But anyway, if you really like my content, and it's clear that I'm not going on everyone's timeline, so I'm spamming you, asking you if you can please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need to at least get 100 subscribers so I can get a custom name. And I'm asking you as a friend, a colleague, someone you just see me and you like my content. If you like my content, then please, by all means, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I look forward to giving you good content. Have a wonderful day.